Where is the check-in counter? Say this at the airport when you arrive. Where is the check-in counter? I have one suitcase to check in. You say this when checking your bag. One suitcase to check in. Which gate does my flight leave from? Very important question at the airport. Which gate, please? Is this seat available? Ask this politely on the plane. Is this seat available? Could I have some water, please? Simple and polite on a flight. Some water, please. I'm here on vacation. Immigration officers often ask why you're visiting. I'm here on vacation. I'm staying for 2 weeks. Answer immigration questions with confidence. 2 weeks. Where is the baggage claim? After landing, you need this. Baggage claim, please. I'd like to book a taxi, please. Very useful right after arrival. Book a taxi, please. Can you take me to this address? Show the driver your destination. This address, please. How much is the fare? Always confirm the price. How much is the fare? I have a reservation under my name. Say this at hotel check-in. Under my name. What time is checkout? Important to know at any hotel. Checkout time, please. Does the room have Wi-Fi? A modern travel essential. Does it have Wi-Fi? Could I get a wake-up call? Useful for early flights. A wake-up call, please. The air conditioning isn't working. How to report a problem politely. It isn't working. Can I get extra towels, please? Simple hotel request. Extra towels, please. Is breakfast included? Always good to confirm. Breakfast included? I'd like a table for 2, please. Say this entering a restaurant. Table for 2, please. Can I see the menu, please? First thing you ask at a restaurant. The menu, please. What do you recommend? Great question for the waiter. What do you recommend? I'm allergic to nuts. Very important for your safety. I'm allergic to... This is delicious. A wonderful compliment for the chef. Delicious. I'll have the same, please. Easy way to order. The same, please. Could we have the bill, please? When you're ready to leave, the bill, please. Do you accept credit cards? Useful before you order. Credit cards accepted? Excuse me, how do I get to the museum? Great question for a local. How do I get there? Is it within walking distance? Saves you time and money. Walking distance? Turn left at the next corner. You'll hear this a lot. Turn left, next corner. Is there a bus stop nearby? Useful for public transport. Bus stop nearby? What time does the last train leave? Never miss your ride. Last train time? I think I'm lost. Be honest when you need help. I'm lost. Can you show me on the map? Very practical when traveling. Show me, please. Do you have this in a smaller size? Useful while shopping. A smaller size, please. Can I try this on? Say this in any clothing store. Try this on? How much does this cost? Essential before buying anything. How much? Do you have a discount? Good to ask at local markets. A discount, please? That's too expensive for me. Polite way to negotiate. Too expensive. I'll take this one, please. Confirming your purchase. I'll take this one. Could I get a receipt, please? Always keep proof of purchase. A receipt, please. Where is the nearest pharmacy? Very useful in emergencies. Nearest pharmacy? I need to see a doctor. Important if you feel unwell. See a doctor. I lost my passport. Stay calm and say this clearly. I lost my passport. Can you help me, please? Never be afraid to ask. Help me, please. I need to call my embassy. Good to know in an emergency. Call my embassy. It's my first time here. Great conversation starter. My first time here. Do you speak English? Very useful when meeting locals. Do you speak English? This place is beautiful. Show your excitement. Beautiful place. Thank you for your help. Always show gratitude. Thank you so much. Now you're ready to travel with confidence. Keep practicing every day. Safe travels and see you in the next video.